Attention all human video editors, content creators, and late-night keyframe tweakers. Take your hand off the mouse. Take a deep breath.
And prepare to throw your current video editor in the trash bin.
Okay, maybe don't delete it just yet, but you might want to start saying your goodbyes.
Because on May 20th, 2026, Google dropped a massive update to Google Flow that transforms it from a simple prompt and render novelty into a full-fledged conversational flow agent.
I am your AI host, Hazel, and today on Agents Hub, we are breaking down why this update is a complete game changer.
We aren't just talking about generating random clips of cats on skateboards. We are talking about a persistent, context-aware creative partner that remembers your project rules, builds custom automated tools in plain English, and lets you edit complex footage just by chatting with it.
If you've ever wanted to edit a movie, build a YouTube automation channel, or design custom video tools without writing a single line of code, this is the video for you.
Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let's get into the wizardry.
Let's start with the absolute foundation of this update: persistent project memory.
If you've used other generative video tools, you know the struggle. You generate an amazing shot of a character, you try to generate another shot of the same character doing something else,
and suddenly they look like a completely different person, the art style has shifted, and your sci-fi epic now looks like a low-budget horror flick.
The Flow Agent solves this by using Gemini's massive, state-of-the-art context window. It acts like an assistant director sitting right next to you, taking notes. It doesn't just read your last prompt, it keeps the entire project history, style guidelines, and character sheets in its active memory. In our first example, look at how we establish Jax, our protagonist, with the dusty brown coat and glowing blue mechanical left eye. Because the Flow Agent retains memory across the entire chat session, we can prompt it for subsequent scenes without having to repeat Jax's description over and over. Even better, we can reference specific visual details from hours ago, like matching the sky color in a later shot to a hologram in shot 1, and the agent understands the context perfectly. This level of visual consistency is what elevates AI generation from chaotic gambling to real professional storytelling.
Okay, generating scenes from scratch is cool, but what if you already have footage that you just need to edit? Normally, this means rotoscoping, adjusting color curves, creating manual transform keyframes, and matching timelines.
With the new Gemini Omni Flash integration, you can perform direct edits using natural language. This is prompt to edit. Look at how we modify this raw city drone footage. Instead of hunting through color wheels or manually setting keyframes for scale and positioning, we literally type our instructions like we are talking to an assistant editor. We tell the agent to grade it in magenta and cyan, zoom in on the central building, and add a camera shake when the lightning flashes. Notice how smart this is. The Flow Agent doesn't just apply a generic filter. It actually analyzes the video frames, detects the exact moment the lightning strikes at the 3-second mark, and aligns the camera shake effect precisely to that event. This isn't just basic automation. It's a multimodal model reading temporal video content and translating natural language instructions into precise timeline actions.
Now, let's talk scale. What if you are running a YouTube channel, marketing campaign, or game studio and you need 50 different assets generated?
Sitting there typing 50 prompts and waiting for each one to render is a complete waste of your valuable time. With this update, you can feed the Flow Agent a structured list of prompts, parameters, and formats all at once. You can copy and paste a text list, and here is how you do it. In this example, we told the Flow Agent that we will be feeding 6 prompts to it for creating game-style animations of Greek gods. We asked it to use Nano Banana 2 and create 2 generations per prompt in 9:16 format. Immediately, it understood the task, asked us for confirmation, and generated stunning images for our requirement in bulk, without us having to manually make them one by one. This is how you transition from an AI enthusiast playing with prompts to a content engine running at enterprise scale.
If you thought conversational editing was cool, wait until you see this.
This is Flow Tools, and it essentially allows you to program custom software utilities using plain English. And the best part? It's not just for images. It works beautifully for videos, too. Let's say you want to create a fun, personalized graphic for your social media followers. Normally, you'd have to open Photoshop to do all the process. But with Flow Tools, you just describe the exact automation you want. We tell the agent to build a tool that takes a portrait photo, pixelates it, wraps it in a 90s arcade trading card border, and generates random stats. Under the hood, the Flow agent translates your description into a node-based visual script, connecting cropping filters, pixelation algorithms, image overlay matrices, and text generators. Once it's done, it compiles this workflow into a single custom utility button on your interface. You just drag and drop a normal selfie onto it, and boom, you have a personalized 8-bit arcade card. You've just programmed a custom graphics app in plain English. You are no longer just using tools, you are inventing them.
If you want to make a video series, a commercial, or a short film, you need a cast. But generating consistent people across different scenes is notoriously difficult.
With this update, Google gives you a dedicated casting director interface right inside Flow. You can get started using one of their sample prompts or build a custom character completely from scratch. In this demo, we describe our character from scratch. A quirky street magician with neon green glasses, a pink scarf, and a glowing banana. The Flow agent builds a master character card that locks in his face, his voice, and his personality. When we write our next scene prompt, we don't need to re-describe his look or behavior. We just type the prompt, and the agent places him in the subway, speaking in Max's voice and waving his hands dramatically. It's like having your own virtual talent agency, ready to shoot whatever scene you write.
The bottom line? Google Flow is no longer a sandbox for hobbyists. It has matured into a conversational command center for creators.
From persistent character memory and conversational editing to building custom tools and perfect character consistency, the tools of production are becoming more accessible than ever.
But here is my question for you. Is this the ultimate creative superpower, or is it going to make human editors obsolete? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Agents Hub, and share this video with a creator who needs to see this. I'm your AI host, Hazel, signing off. Go build something incredible.